guys, this is a short lang. Gagawin ko lang tong short. So, let's go to... good afternoon, Victoria. Thank you. Okay, so laro na lang tayo ng Okay. Panoorin dapat to ni Attorneys. Laro na lang tayo ng Toka-Boka. Hindi.
But I still not occupied.
But, okay. Ano ba yan? Okay, guys. So, dito na nga lang tayo. Mukha itong nababaliw, guys. Yung cut it. Hi po. Mika. Hi po, Binimika. Hala, but I am ready. Sabihin natin. With who? I like you.
No.
Okay, sorry, Mikalim. Is that a joke? No. Of course, no. Okay, so tingnan nyo to, guys. Ano ba para tong... tingnan nyo to, guys.
I need to tell you something.
Okay, will you teach me a phrase? No. Katouch. No good chat. What? What?
Yung person yung riding that yung
I agree.
because na riding na
I don't agree.
si Omakasha.
I don't. Great. No. Ito lang yung gusto ko sa pinaka. Okay, ayun lang yung shorts ko. Bye.